In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Monopoly Go redeem codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for reward codes Monopoly Go. Right here, go to this website which is called monopolygo.wiki. And right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that there is a list with some rewards that you can claim right here. And these rewards are updated daily. So, for example, right here, if I want to get this one, which is available from 4 January to 7 January, right here, all I need to do is just tap right here on this claim button. So, basically, this button right here is a link that will redirect you to your Monopoly Go app. And inside the application, if you're accessing the application through this link, you will be able to claim the free dice right here. Also, going back to our main search, we have right here this website as well. And right here, as you can see, we also have a list with some promo codes that we can use and get some rewards in game. So here are the promo codes, as you can see, and here are the rewards that you can get using the promo code. But it's more simply you can just tap on this button right here where it says claim here, and after you do that, you'll also be redirected in your Monopoly Go account, and right there the rewards will be awarded automatically. So basically, just select the promo code that you want to use. You can just use them all, and simply tap right here where it says claim here, and after that, you'll be redirected to your Monopoly Go account and the reward will be added automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.